Today is Saturday, January 10th. This is the 1975-76 Cadillac in-dash clock. This is a full restoration for my friend Kelly in Oklahoma. I'm doing a functional validation test. This is the quad design barrel clock, meaning it's a digital clock with 4 unique barrels. We can see the second barrel now coming up on 40 seconds. And we'll watch it all the way to 60 seconds and watch the third position barrel for the minute move from 5 to 6, giving us 2 hours and 46 minutes. Okay, we can see it happening right now. And we can see it changing to 2:46 in the afternoon. Okay, this is replacing Kelly's core unit. And this will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados, including the original 160-2745 General Time clocks used in 1975 and 1976, in-dash mounted for the Cadillacs. Okay, this is Eldorado George in Florida. Today is Saturday, January 10th. Thank you very kindly.